If you are in YouTubing and you are doing YouTubing for a few months, then you might know about the Tubebuddy. This is a toolkit for your YouTube channel, and that's help you to grow your channel. And this thing is actually free. You can use it for free for some limited feature, but if you want to upgrade it, then you will need to pay and you will get more feature. But in this video I'll show you how you can get the Tubebuddy for completely free, and also share how you can get a 30 days trial. So don't let me and check out the video, and if you new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, we come on the site, and you can see the pricing here. If I go to the pricing section, I can see there is a lot of packages. So first of all, I want to give you some tricks. If you just directly buy it, then you can do one thing, that is you can select I have less than 1000 subscriber, this coupon, and if you click on here, you can see the price will be 50% discount by the Tubebuddy. And another thing, today I'll show you how you can get this completely free. So in the video description you can check a link that there is a link, and when you click on this, you will come to this page. If you already sign in with the Tubebuddy after installing the code on your browser, then you come on this page. So when you come on this page, after clicking on the link on from my description, you can check on the description. Then you can see this option. There is some option that here is affiliate program, or the complete a survey or trial with a credit card. So now I will discuss about this thing. So here is some offers that is provided by Tubebuddy, and with this you can get free access to this Tubebuddy paid service. So what is this? First one is the affiliate program. In affiliate program, their rules is if you get 50% sign up by your affiliate link, and then you can earn a free upgrade for 1 year. And if you subscribe 250 people, then you will get the upgrade for lifetime. And the next thing is the complete a survey. There is a very simple tips that you just need to click here, and it will open a survey. You can see here, I just click here, and you need to complete this survey, and it will get 1 to 7 days trial. You can see 1 week free trial, start upgrade. So this you will get a 7 days free trial. This is very easy, and you can easily get this. So this is the number one tips for getting a 1 week free trial. And then you can get another trial with the credit card, and that will be 30 days trial. You might be seeing a 14 days trial on the page when you sign in with the Tubebuddy, but in this particular section you can get 30 days trial. You just need to select the plan from here, and then go to here, and you can see here you will be on the $0.00, and you can get this for 30 days, and from the next month it will be 9.000 per month, and you can need to accept this, and then you need to pay this. So this is all about this for 30 days trial. In this way you can get 30 days trial. And next thing is that creating a video about Tubebuddy. So this is a great things. I really recommend this one, because if you make a video talking about Tubebuddy and already sign up for the affiliate program, and make a video that people maybe sign up through your Tubebuddy link, if you can get 50 people, then might be it will be your free for 1 year, or you can also get it up to 2 months of free legend upgrades. So this is very great way. You just need to make a video, and then you need to apply from here. You just make the video, and in the next step you need to submit the link, and they will review, and they will upgrade your account for 2 month free upgrade. Maybe it's maybe discuss 1 month, or 15 days, or like this, based on your channel subscriber count. So after doing this, you can also get this fully free. And there is a lot more option to get the Tubebuddy for free. There is a 3-day free pro upgrade. Just only do nothing, just you need to follow the Tubebuddy on Twitter. You just follow this Tubebuddy on Twitter, and start here, and next page you will need to verify this, and you can get the Tubebuddy paid for 3 days. This is very easy tricks. You can just check all the features in 3 days. I don't think this is too bad, because 3 days is enough to check all the services, and if you like then you can upgrade with the more offers or something like this. And this is another thing that tweet about the Tubebuddy. With this section you can get rewarded when you tweet about Tubebuddy, and it will be based on your Twitter followers. They will manually review your Twitter account, and they will check how many reaction and comments you get, and they will give a some days trial to use all the features. So this is all about the tips and tricks, and in the description I have the both two links of my affiliate links, and all this offer page links. I recommend and request you to use my affiliate link first and then open this link, and that will support me to make more videos on my channel. And if you learn something new, then please do subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more new updates and new videos like this. So thank you guys, I hope you like the video, and till next video, tata, goodbye.